Hi. Mine's always gonna be New York. Because they kind of walk to get there. Your life, you find her. When it turns your heart around. Next thing you know, blows it down the town. Wake up and it's still with you. I'm Jennifer Kennedy. It's almost Halloween. Get caught between the moon and New York City. I am Jenny. I know it's crazy, but it's true. And I came back home to be a mom to make possible. This is number 116. It's the best that I can do. Jenny, she does the sheep pieces. This quilt is for Queen Judy Huffman. She's Peach's mom. And I'm not sure how I'm going to get it to her, but I'm sure when I put the video on, she'll get a clue like, oh, your mom's quilt is done. And I'm working on these. My beads. This is the front. Still working on them. This is the back. Show the back for a minute again. It's a lot of beadwork. Hey, school bus. It's a lot of beadwork. It's cool. I love that. I'm going to do that a lot. There. Yeah, close up on the quilt to end it all so we can get some cool shots. It's this way. You got to get it from this way. Yeah. You got to get it from this angle. The whole quilt. Because I'm going to do pictures. We can get them off your camera. Awesome. Number 100, not in the face. Number 116. Love you guys. When you get caught between the moon and New York City. I know she's crazy. She's true.